Properties and applications of ceramics is the Al2O3. Alumina is one type of ceramic material. It is the oldest material. Is alumina is one of the oldest material. It is called for aluminium oxide. Is also called for alumina or aluminium oxide. It is produced from the alumina is produced from bauxite. Is the Al2O3 2H2O is the manufacturing from bauxite material. Is the bauxite is one type of ore. Okay, it is ore and hard solution of ore and hard solution of sodium hydroxide. So both mixing bauxite ore and hard solution of sodium hydroxide is mixing under the high pressure. So you can get the liquid sodium aluminate. Okay, liquid sodium aluminate. So the liquid sodium aluminate is after the filtration process. So iron oxide and silica is removed from the liquid sodium aluminate. Okay, after the filtration process, remove the impurities from the filter. So iron oxide and silica is removed from the liquid sodium aluminate. So after the filtration process, precipitation process, so sodium aluminate solution and aluminum hydroxide both are mixing. Aluminum hydroxide is mixing in crystals. Can get the aluminum hydroxide crystals. Okay, hydroxide crystals. This aluminum hydroxide crystal is washed. Cleaning process is washed, dried, and heating to up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Okay, this aluminum hydroxide crystal is washed, dried, and heating to the 1000 degrees Celsius. So finally, we can get the pure alumina in the form of white powder, white color of pure alumina powders. Okay, is the process of alumina manufacturing. Is the properties of alumina is the excellent hardness, strength, and stiffness material, good compressive strength, and excellent wear and abrasion resistant, excellent electrical insulator. It is the electrical resistivity material. It is withstand the overheating due to the poor thermal conductors. It is stable at the temperature around 1500 degrees Celsius. Is also very high good corrosion resistance property material. Is the resistant to acid and alkalis. It good environmental resistance. Okay, it is a environmental resistance material. Low neutron absorption material. It combined with other ceramic particles. Okay, we can use the alumina with the other ceramic particle also. So it can improve the particular properties also. Okay, we can use combine with the other ceramic particles in alumina. Excellent shock resistance property. Okay, mainly used for some vibration equipments. So applications of alumina is, okay, this is the application of alumina. It is the electronic, mainly used for electronic components, for electronic microcircuits and high voltage insulator, interconnectors, capacitors, resistor manufacturing, spark plug insulators, wear plates and seal rings manufacturing, furnace liners, thermocouple protection tubes and vacuum tubes manufacturing. So absorption tubes for resistant tubes and chemical reactor. Okay, absorption of resistant tubes and chemical for using absorbing resistant tubes mainly used for chemical reactors manufacturing. Some heavy load and temperature applications. So particularly rocket nozzle, pump parts of liner and impellers. Okay, it is heavy load and high temperature application equipments of rocket nozzle, pump parts of liner and impellers. Some medical equipments of teeth restoration, some bone filler, orthopedic implants material, artificial joints manufacturing, bone spacer and joint replacements material. Okay, it is used for manufacturing of artificial joints and bone spacer and joint replacements material. Some ballistic armor plating. It is protect against the missiles fired from high power rifle. Okay, it is protect against the missiles fired from high power rifle. Okay, is plate in power and helicopters and bulletproof vests. Okay, helicopters and bulletproof vests. See, material mainly used for nuclear application manufacturing material, metal cutting tool, grinding equipment. So metal cutting tools, grinding equipment, tool manufacturing. Okay, is the application of aluminum material. Okay, so alumina is mainly manufactured from the bauxite. It is the mixing of bauxite ore and a hot solution of sodium hydroxide under high pressure. So you can get the liquid sodium aluminate. So from liquid sodium aluminate, if you remove the iron oxide and silica dust party, remove the impurities. Then after the precipitation hardening process, we can get the aluminum hydroxide crystal. So this aluminum crystal have some impurities. Okay, then washed and dried and heated to 1000 degrees Celsius. So finally we can get the pure white color alumina powders. Okay, so properties: excellent hardness, strength, stiffness, good compressive strength, and excellent wear and abrasion resistance, excellent electrical insulator property, withstand overheating temperature, it is stable at the temperature of 1500 degrees Celsius, good corrosion resistance and environmental resistance property, low neutron absorption, it is can use the combine with other ceramic particles, excellent shock resistance property, mainly used for vibration. So application is electronic components of electronic microcircuits, high voltage insulators, interconnectors, capacitor and resistor manufacturing, spark plug insulator, wear plates and seal rings, furnace liners for thermocouple protection tube and vacuum tubes, so absorption resistant tubes mainly for chemical reactors, some heavy load and temperature application of rocket nozzle, pump parts of liner and impellers, some medical field, the teeth restoration, bone filler, orthopedic implants, artificial joint, bone spacer joint replacements, some ballistic armor plating. It is protect against the missiles from fired from high power rifles, helicopter and bulletproof vest parts, material for nuclear applications, some metal cutting tools and grinding equipment tools manufacturing. Thank you.